guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did what did I do? The dog picks my makeup challenge. I know it's like dumb, like the dog don't even know what you doing. The dog just wants the food, but I wanted to jump on a trend, and this is the outcome. It's okay, but if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Which one? Anastasia. Which one? Carly Bible? Which one? Get it, Kaya. Which one? Fancy Beauty. Wait, which one did you eat first? You want to fit me. Which one? Color Pop. Okay. So I just finished doing my eyebrows using the Anastasia Brow Wiz and Ebony. That's what he picked. And the NYX concealer, I mean, this concealer isn't bad, honestly, but it's barely anything in there. And I barely used it, so I don't understand how it's barely anything in there. I think I got cheated out my money. But I'm gonna, and he picked the, for eyes, he picked the Carly Bible Deluxe palette. I never use this eyeshadow palette anymore, like for eyeshadow. I love the highlighters in here, but I guess I'm gonna just do like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All my brushes are dirty, by the way, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids. Like, I'm really scraping for this concealer. Like, there's barely anything in here. So I'm gonna just blend that out with my brush I used to clean up my eyebrows with. Go straight in with this brown right here. This one. I'm gonna use that on both my eyes. And I'm gonna just blend. I'm gonna put that all over because it's like the same color. It's my alright. Now on the same brush, I'm gonna go in. I don't really like the eyeshadow shades in here. I'm gonna go in with this purple right here, this lighter purple. But then a crease. This e.l.f. blending brush, I'm gonna tap it off. And just really stamp that on the outside. It's like a satin. It has like a little bit of shimmer in there, but it's not a shimmer. And blend that also in. It says it's not no shade that's darker than this. This pink shade right here. Okay, so the wing eyeliner did not make it look any better. This one is so uneven, but it's okay. I will most definitely not be posting this on my makeup account. But he chose the Hard Candy Mattifying Primer, so that's what I'm gonna use. I like this primer. It is very mattifying though. So, but my skin is like dry combination. Like, it gets really oily in my chin area and my forehead, but everywhere else, like underneath my eyes, is very dry. So I'm gonna just use a little bit less there, like on my cheeks, my nose. And this one doesn't really fill in pores, so I don't know about that. It just mattifies and controls oil, so it doesn't fill in pores. And I need to buy a new e.l.f. primer. This one is done. Look, it's done, and it's so good at like blurring. Way better. Okay, so He chose these two as foundation. I thought he chose a Fenty Beauty, but these two. So these two are, I'm mixing these. That's why they wear together. So forehead, chin, like especially where I get dark at. I'm dark at. For concealer, the next one. Let's really get in here. Yo, this barely has anything in there. Like, I'm gonna be here for a minute. So I'm blending out the under eyes first, which I never do. But this concealer sets fast. I mean, you can't even see it, so. I didn't have my dog pick what powder I use, because I only used three powders. We're gonna go back to the eyes, and we're gonna take the light purple shade from earlier, this one. Smoke it right at the outer part. And since that's so light, we're gonna go in with the darker purple shade and go right above it. Now for mascara, the Essence mascara. This is the only mascara I got, which is why my dog ain't pick it. But yeah, Kaya is a Rottweiler mixed with, can you hear him snoring? He's snoring right now. Mixed with a German Shepherd. I'm also a golden retriever. This was a German Shepherd. So his teeth are very sharp. Every toy he gets, he destroys it. But he's a really good boy. Fit Me blush right here in Berry. I love this blush. He better have told it. Okay. And for highlighter, he chose the ColourPop highlighter in Happy Camper. It's an okay highlighter. That's what it looks like. Let me swatch it. It's like a golden one. It's not that blinding, you know. It's like a rose copper. I know my skin is really dry right now, but you gotta wait until I spray my skin. I never use this highlighter alone. Okay, so this is the final look. It's okay. Let me look up close. I can definitely see my pores. It is kind of matte. Oh, I just put some powder on my face. Honestly, that Maybelline Fit Me powder does not go well with these two foundations mixed. Wait, let me look at me in the sunlight. This side over here looks a mess. You can't really see, but it looks a mess. I need a lip scrub. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more like it. Maybe I should do a flash test.